Ali te akadi ka tutorial guru ngi also some garam record streaming music through internet like some sa itakabelaw record and mo burn mo later for a CD. There's a way here. Take it up all thingy. Audio spare on the software. Take it the software was penny. Take it audio recorder for free. They are free for download. Download.com. Someone's on download thingy, and it's gonna look like this. Audio recorder for free. Okay, so to send from downloader say kadi mura here kadi mura download.com. Okay, and mura search bar, type in audio recorder for free, and then from there kadi scroll down and tag the free sound recorder version 7.8.5. Tag it sa kupal record and malisi beta most pairing. So wak already na download lang so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is bring it up. Ito nga sa meringi change sa settings ako. Click on settings, and then from here you can change output format from wave to MP3 to WMA. Most common is MP3 and WMA. You can also change your output directory for easy access later. So I'm going to change it. Okay, already can remove settings na, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing is bring it up, and then kung mura on our website, for example YouTube. Okay, Procon production so channel abi ka malungi legal sound ringi sa bebe time record orang sa CD mlay malupang blay malungi la recordings abi tagi the latest till itaklawi 1026 akong desin sel itakla giblas sel bring it up, make sure you check your volume more somewhere right there, just a little down from the center, from the middle, sel sa marabab and modi stored, so always keep it right there. Is tayo da block patigini man level. Okay, so second ilakadi mura software kao tira record, and then in a record, then flashing record right here, and then you'll see those two bars go up and down. This is putting out audio ring. So let's get started. Okay, so tira play. Mamang talaga mo ang computer, no? Okay, motorcycle bar Mario. I mean, just picking up the signal and I'm recording right now. Okay, selbel maraha litak lagadim tira stop. Halak stop it down. Okay, gadim tira stop. In already in la save more say the output folder ako. I blame choosing earlier for your settings. Again, in the automatically convert to MP3 format among that will convert ringi. Okay, and then assume some edit تقدم tirang kagi del edit audio files and bring up another software. Dio bangel ta sa sebelum download ng change pitch, speed, fade in, fade out, all kinds of effects on it. So malungi software. Okay, let's send some alumnus to say some orang sesel tigil of nom recording. Nakadim tirang kagi del view files and bring up equal files blim record. Have blick record earlier it's always say the first file on the left. Okay, so I'm gonna rename my cell phone rec and let's hear it. And then in recording flashing record right here. You see those two bars go up and down. This is putting audio ring. So let's get started. Okay, so katim tira play. Mamang tuloy mo yung computer, no? Second part of my Mario. I mean, just picking up the signal and having a recording right now. Okay, so I play the recording earlier. Malungi la ang